Hey, it's VJ from Whitby, Ontario, Canada, and this is my third impression of the Facebook buy and sell groups. Anybody that's interested in setting up a page for buying and selling their stuff, you be aware of who you let in and who you let come to your door. Now, I've been doing all my buying and selling at a safe location, and it'd be a rarity when somebody comes to my home to deal with me, unless I've dealt with them, of course, before. So tonight I had some buddy from the Oshawa area give me shit because I hadn't showed up, and they had not confirmed their appointment. And you know that's just too bad. But anyways, there's a lot of lunatics out there, and just take care who you're dealing with, and make sure you have a phone number. And one thing I do like about the Facebook is that you can look at the profiles and you can see who you're dealing with. So that's a good thing. And earlier on in the day, I had some really nice interactions with a lady from Stouffville who bought a garden trolley, and she was a doll. And there was another gentleman from Bowmanville who bought a TV from me, and a good guy. We had a little bit of a problem getting the TV into his SUV, but good to deal with. A warning: be careful who you deal with. There's a lot of good people out there, but there's a lot of idiots too. Cheers from Whitby, Ontario. This is Whitby Garage Sale.